For years, homes have leaned either too minimal and cold or overly cozy and cluttered.
But there's a new interior trend taking over in 2025 that finds the perfect middle ground. It's warm,
It's calming.
and it still feels fresh and organized.
This is the rise of the cozy but clean home. Cozy but clean isn't about stark minimalism, and it's not about layered clutter either. It's about warmth without mess.
Comfort without chaos. Spaces that feel lived in but never overwhelming.
The foundation of this trend starts with color. Think warm neutrals, soft creams, oak tones, gentle grays, muted clay shades. Nothing too bright, nothing too dark. These colors reflect light beautifully while keeping the space grounded.
Texture is what brings the cozy feeling without adding clutter. Boucle fabrics, linen curtains, wool rugs, natural wood finishes.
Each element adds softness while keeping the room visually calm.
The key is restrain fewer materials, used well.
Furniture in cozy but clean homes keeps its shape simple.
Clean lines, slim profiles, and well-proportioned pieces softened with cushions, throws, and rounded accessories.
This balance keeps the room comfortable without feeling bulky or dated.
Clutter instantly breaks the clean side of this trend. Hidden storage, closed cabinetry, and multifunctional furniture are essential. Everything has a place, even everyday items.
If it doesn't serve a purpose or bring calm, it doesn't stay.
The cozy but clean trend isn't about chasing perfection.
It's about creating a home that feels calm, warm, and effortlessly put together.
When comfort and clarity work together, your home doesn't just look better, it feels better to live in.